week 18. Double discount today. So what's better than one discount? Double discount. Your homework is a little different today. It's the front or the back. You decide. So you decide which side you want to do. That's all up to you. Some kids will find one side easier than the other, but it's all what you feel more confident in. Tomorrow is the quiz. What's on the quiz? Discount and some double discount. Discount and double discount, okay? So, key is, gotta show me work, okay? Today's assignment, I will let you know. It's gonna be a worksheet, right? Like always. But it's gonna close today because I gotta keep up with this grading. I gotta grade any missing assignments that you have been turning in and today's assignment. So it's gonna close today. And what I decided to do is, if you want to use a calculator, Daniel, you will need to show me today's worksheet with the work to get a calculator tomorrow. Okay? Yeah, it's like your ticket. Like, Miss Amelia, look, I showed all my work today, and then I will give you a calculator for the test. Tomorrow you're going to show the test. Yeah. But if you don't show me work, then you don't get a calculator. Because it's like, oh.
Like we don't show work for one problem, that's no calculator.
Exactly. Oh. And today's worksheet's only the front side. So most of you will be able to finish in class. And if you don't, you go home and finish it. Bring it in tomorrow. That's like your ticket for a calculator tomorrow. Today's work. Okay? It's like a ticket, yeah. All right. Mike, I'll stamp it for you if you would like. All right. So, Nee, did you see how your answers were a little different or not? Take the time. Because I need you to do good tomorrow. Double discount. The reason I left it there is so for you. Okay, double discount. Double discount. Okay, so we're getting ready for the holiday season. So obviously we need to get some stuff.
Oh yeah. Oh,
No.
Give us
a Lego. A Lego set.
Yeah. Best Buy, PS5. Miss, I already have one of those. You don't have to get one for me.
Okay. Okay.
Miss, I already have one of those.
Wait, let's be cool. If not, this is the last one we're doing from Best Buy, and we'll just rate. All right. So, PS5 here, Pro, because we're all pros, right? We need the Pro.
Yeah, I have that.
Okay. So, $649.99. What do we round this one up to? $650. Okay. So, we're gonna write the PS5.
Oh, you have to put Pro.
Pro.
There you go, Miss.
Cost $650, right?
Oh yeah.
But they're gonna give us a discount. They're gonna get 30% off and 20% off.
Whoa, that's a lot.
So because it's Christmas, they're like, we're not only gonna give you 30%, but we're also gonna give you 20%. Daniel, say that one more time.
20% off and 30%? Yeah.
Well,
Do we add them?
okay. Do we add 30 and 20?
Nah.
No. They don't add them. They do one at a time. Now, if we made a mistake and did add them, what do we get? What's 20 plus 30? 50. So that would be 50%, right? Now notice I'm doing the math on the board, which means what's going to happen in 30 seconds? It's going to disappear, right? So this is not what I want you to write down. I want you just to look. So if it's 50%, it would be 650 times 0.5, right? 32? So then the price would be $325. I want you to remember that number. So if it was 50%, if I did 20 plus 30 and get 50, my price would be $325. Remember that? Okay. What number was it? All right. Guess what? The real price, do you think it's going to be higher or lower than this? Higher. So this is what the store do. Step 1. What's your first step for discount? Move the decimal. So if it's 30%, what would the decimal be? 0.3. Don't forget that point. 0.3. All right, so now what? What do I do? What math do I do first? Times. What do I multiply?
650.
650 times what? 0.3. All right, we don't have calculators right now. We're just doing it by hand. We're practicing old school multiplication. What's 3 times 0? 0. What's 3 times 5?
15.
All right, write it down. 5, carry the 1. So we're practicing some. 3 times 6? 18 plus 1? Okay. How many times do I move the decimal? Okay. What's our second step in discount? Subtract. What do I subtract? 650 minus 195. Make sure you put the 650 on the top. We're just practicing. I know there's no calculators. Practicar with this. Okay, because you're not always going to get a calculator. What did you guys get?
455.
That would be with one discount, right? But we have another discount. So when we have double discount, we have double the work. Woo! Step 3.
Don't we do the same thing over?
Yep. 20%. What is 20% as a decimal? 0.2. So now I'm going to take my new price, $4.55, and I'm going to multiply it by 0.2. So I don't, 650, gone. Not going to use it. I'm going to use 455 times 0.2 because it's 20%. 2 times 5, 10, carry the 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. How many times do I move the decimal? 1 time. So 91. So step 4. 455, notice I'm using this number, minus 91. What do we get? Yeah, if you got 364, good job. What was the 50% off at the beginning? 325. So you're not going to pay 325. You're going to pay 364. Are you saving money? Yes. But Best Buy does the math right, and they do it in a way that you end up actually paying more. I mean, you do save money, but that's why they don't add the percents. So if you ever own a store or do any sales online, some of you will be ended up doing that, right? When you offer discount upon discount, you take one discount at a time. You do not combine them. If you combine them, you get the wrong answer. Any questions?
No.
Okay. There is a shortcut.
Too hard.
Take this 4 steps and make it just 2 steps. We will get the same answer. We will be done half of the time, and there's no borrowing. So I'm going to teach you the shortcut. Is the shortcut for everybody? No. If you understand it, use it. If you don't understand it, hey, This one everybody gets to use. This is normal way of doing it. Multiply, subtract, multiply, subtract. What I'm going to show you right now is called a shortcut. You don't have to use it. Boy, does it cut down your work. Shortcut. Does it work? Yes. Do you have to use it? No. But we're all learning it. And if you get it, fantastic. If you don't get it, fantastic. We're doing the same thing. We're doing the PS5. 650. 30% off. 20% off. Okay? Is it exactly the same problem? Yes. Are we looking for our final answer to be 364? Yes. Okay. How do I do that? Okay. It starts off with this percent. If it's 30% off, what percent remains?
Square 3.
A 3.
Okay.
The 20?
0.
Okay. So, this color pencil box costs $1. 100% of the price is $1. 100% of the price. I'm going to take away 40% and give you a 40% discount. If I take away 40%, what percent is still left of the price? 60%. Very good. So, if it's 30% off, what percent are you still going to pay? 70. So, 70% is what we end up paying. So they take away 30, but what remains is still 70. Okay, it's part of the shortcut. Shortcut is not thinking about what they're going to take off, but thinking about what you end up paying. So, instead of doing 650 times 30, I'm going to do 650 times 70%, which is what as my decimal? So instead of doing 30, I'm going to end up doing 70, the what's left over. And watch what happens. 0 times 7, 455. Where did you see that answer before? On step 2 of the final answer. So we skipped this part. We skipped this and went straight here. Then, if I have 20% off, what percent am I paying? 80% is what you're paying. Right, Leonardo? Leandro? Sorry. 2. 455 times what percent am I paying? 80, which is 0.8. Let's silence that. What did we get? Wait, oh, let me Google. Whoops. What did I get? What did we get before? So do we get the same answer? Do we show half the work? It's half the work. It's only 2 steps, right? It's only 2 steps, and do I have to borrow? No, and a lot of you make mistakes borrowing. So, there it is. I cut your work in half. Now, if you don't understand it, if you're not understanding this part, cool. Don't do this. This is only if you really understand it, try it out. It does end up making the math easier, though. All right. Okay. We're going to do 2 more problems together, but I'm going to pass out calculators. What else do I need for my PlayStation?
VR. Chair.
Well, we got the chair last week, remember? All right.
TV, Game Boy.
Haven't heard it, but in order for me to play, I obviously need
A Lego set.
Games.
oh, Best Buy. Ah, I meant Best Buy. I need some head. Oh, my kids told me gaming.
How old are your kids, miss?
They're all 7th graders.
I think we need this.
I think they don't.
We?
So who are you, dog? You live in the suburbs.
All right,
Oh, I live in cardboard box.
nice.
Oh, the hyper.
Yo. Where was that?
Why would you spend $300?
I will.
Miss,
I
it's
will.
worth
I mean,
it.
See, like, access
I mean,
to
that
everything.
variant is pretty good, but like at the same time, I have to.
It depends.
It's just wireless.
Wireless, if it's like soundproof.
Yeah, because I don't want like the cord hanging.
and if
It's
it doesn't
terrible.
break,
It
The
might
$80 one.
disturb my gaming. All right, we'll do this. No, okay. Ooh, look, it has this thing right there. What is this thing?
Oh, which one?
like
No,
volume,
this part.
volume
Oh,
or
that's where you
something.
can change the volume and like change the sound.
Oh,
No,
he-
miss,
he didn't
get
meant
get
for
a
it.
different one.
Yeah, get a Lego set.
Does that have attendant?
No, Phase uses it.
I know about.
Oh, it's like a charger. Nah, miss, get a
Oh, it has
different
a
one.
portable charger.
Woo, look
I
at
don't,
us.
I don't like this one, miss.
I don't think that's a good
Very
idea.
comfortable.
But does it have a mic?
Yeah,
Yeah, it
it
has
has
like Miss O'Malley. It's like right here on the side.
I think you pull it out.
Actually, yeah.
All right, so 309.99. We round this one to what?
Save $70.
310. All right. So, wow. So, write this down.
What's it, miss?
Headphones
Oh, I gotta write headphones.
cost 310, right? We're still going to take notes because you can use these notes on the test, but if you don't write good notes, you might forget the steps. All right, it's going to be 40% off and 50% off. Do I add these 2%? No. Okay.
Pretty cheap.
If you want to use a shortcut, you're free to use a shortcut. We shall get the same answer together at the end. I'm going to do the long way. Okay, so the long way is take your price, 310, and we're going to multiply it by what? 40% written as a decimal is 0.4. Okay, so I'm going to stop writing. And I'm going to open up my calculator. All right, so type it in. 310 times 0.4.
124.
Make sure it says 0.4 on your calculator, remember? Equals 124. Very good. Now, what's my second step? Minus 310 minus 124. Type it into your calculator. 310 minus 124. 186. Am I done? No. That would be if I only have one discount, which tomorrow you would be done. Now, does anybody know what you call the 124? The 124 is what you save. The 186 is your new price before the second discount. Tomorrow on the test, I might go, hey, how much do you save? Just that's it. What is your savings? All right. Now, step 3. 186 times what? 186 times what? 0.5. We're looking for 0.5. We're looking for that to be here. So let's see. 186 times 0.5. Make sure you have it as 0.5.
Yes, miss.
What do we get? This is also how much you save. And then step 4 is subtract again. 186 minus 93. Type it into your calculator. And what's our final answer?
93.
90.
And this is what I like to call the new price. 93.
It's just the answer. But
That's our new price. This is after 1 discount. This is after 2 discounts. On your test, you're going to have a lot of 1 discount. All right, then I realized, well, I need a desk for all of this fun stuff, right? I thought this was pretty cool.
That's pretty cheap.
Miss, do not get that gaming desk. It's too big.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
Wow. So cute. Oh my God.
I'm going.
Look at that with the cat headphones. Wow.
No, miss. I like the black one. The black one looks better, miss.
Okay,
I don't think she'll do it.
$139.99. We're gonna round it to what? 140. So our last prompt together before you get to do it on your own. So make sure you know what to do, so you don't turn in a blank paper. I have a student who turned in a bunch of blank worksheets.
Ooh, miss, please amazing.
I think second semester I'll end up giving the person who does that negative points.
Ooh, that's right. That's right.
So they have to give you points?
Yeah.
Didn't you do that to me? I'm
Yeah.
giving you 5. Yeah.
Did I change? I changed it, right?
Huh?
Did I change it back?
No. That's in my phone.
Show me where that is. I can change it back. Okay. Yes.
You might die.
Oh yeah. Now I remember because you turned in blank paper. No, yeah, you deserve it.
Yeah.
All right. We're reviewing for our test, guys. We're reviewing for our test. So sale for 15% off and then 20% off. Let's make sure we write some good notes for tomorrow's test so we can use our notes for the test tomorrow and you're A-okay. Okay. Did anybody use a shortcut on the last problem?
Nope.
No.
Not at all.
Okay. Okay. So 140 times what?
150.
All right. Type this into the calculator.
Only one.
Point 15 equals 21. What is step number 2? What do we do in the second step? 140. 21. Very good. Thank you. Minus 21. Write that in your notes. So tomorrow, if you forget what to do, it's in your notes. You have it clearly. Step 1. Step 2. Okay, what's 140 minus 21? Yep. 119. All right. This is how much I save. This would be my new price if I only had 1 step. 1 discount. But I have double discount, so you gotta do 3 and 4. What's step 3?
I got 952. That's why I got missed.
Times 0.20. Very good.
20.
Because my second discount is 20%. So 0.2, 0.20, however you want to say it. So 119 times 0.2. Make sure you write it as 0.2. 0.2 equals 23.8. So make sure your calculator shows the same number. Remember, you got to practice using that calculator because some of you think you guys know how to use a calculator and all of a sudden you get some wrong answers. Marley, let's not mess it up. 119.00 minus 23.80. Type it in.
I got 95.2.
Oh, there you go.
95.2? Good. This is my new price.
Wow, missed.
And then this is how much I save. Okay? If you use the shortcut, you end up having the same answer at the very end. The same answer at the very end.
We're gonna watch movies, guys, right? We're gonna get pizza.
All right.
Where's my middle bar?
In the suburbs.
Okay, Aiden. This paper, blue paper. Only one side.
Haven't got it.
Say correctly, Rolando. Thank you very much.
Does someone have it?
On. Andrew. On. Tomorrow. This is your ticket for a calculator. Tiene calculadora mañana el examen. Esto debe que estar con todo el trabajo del mundo. Si no me enseñan trabajo, no hay calculadora. Ese es el boleto que le da calculadora mañana. This is your ticket for tomorrow's calculator.
What is it?
If you show me the correct work, not just work, but the correct work, you'll get a calculator tomorrow. El trabajo aquí, calculadora mañana. All right, here are your 4 steps that you need to complete this worksheet. Ready, set, go.